Hello, Bill Risser with Chicago Title. This is part one of our series on Evernote, and today we're going to focus on the 4 different versions of Evernote that are available for your different devices. First, let's do a kind of a quick overview of Evernote in general. Its tagline is that it remembers everything, and we're going to see the importance of that and the different ways we can capture data as we kind of work through the series. But to quickly take a look at that, whether it's an audio note or an email, or a document, or it's a web clipping, or you've got a picture of something, or a tweet. There are many different ways you can enter data into Evernote. So we can capture everything and store it and categorize it and find it very easily. Second, it works across all devices. It's cloud-based, so we have the ability to pull it up on our smartphones and our tablets, as well as anywhere we can access the web, and of course our computers where we've downloaded the Evernote app. And finally, it has a very robust search engine. In this example, imagine typing in the phrase creative director and it actually scans through images of business cards that were inside Evernote and finds the business card that has that phrase. So we'll do a whole video just on search, and that'll come later in the series. So what are the 4 different versions that I talk about with Evernote? Well, the first one we're looking at here is the actual app that's been downloaded to my computer. This is very important. Go to evernote.com, download it to your computer. We will do an in-depth look at this version of Evernote tomorrow in part 2 of the series. The next version is the web-based version. In this case, I've logged on to evernote.com. I've signed in with my user ID and password, and the same information pulls up, but I don't have quite the functionality that I do on the downloaded version that's installed on my computer. The next version is going to be for a tablet. In this case, it's an iPad. The same structure is here. I see my notes and my individual note, and I can add notes and delete notes, but this is more for consumption while I'm in the field using my tools. It's much easier, as you'll hear me say many times, to do the real work in Evernote on your laptop. And finally, we have the mobile version on the phone. This is a Droid, but it looks very similar on the iPhones. And once again, we have the ability to create notes and delete notes and do lots of things. But once again, as I mentioned before, it's really geared towards being mobile, having your data with you. So that's a quick look at the 4 different versions. The takeaway for today is please go to evernote.com if you haven't already. Download the app to your laptop. And while you're at it, go ahead and grab your iPads or your phones and go ahead and go to their app stores or Google Play if it's a Droid, and download those applications to all your devices. But get it installed on your laptop, sign up for your account, and we'll talk more tomorrow about how to set that up and how that works. Right? Great, we'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.